Today start a fourth chemical reaction, oxidation of phenol. You know oxidation, addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen. Look here, phenol is oxidized by phenol is oxidized by chromic anhydride CrO3. Chromic anhydride or sodium dichromate Na2Cr2O3 in presence of dilute H2SO4. In presence of dilute H2SO4, it gives, look here, compound like this. Conjugated diaketone. Conjugated diaketone. Look here, name of the compound. Name of the compound, Para. Look here, in name of the compound is para-benzoquinone. 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 Name of the compound here, phenol. Look here, phenol is oxidized by chromic anhydride or sodium dichromate in presence of dilute H2SO4. It gives conjugated diketone, means para-benzoquinone. Para-benzoquinone. A simple questions in board examination. What is the action of a chromic anhydride or acidified sodium dichromate on phenol? Answer, phenol is oxidized by chromic anhydride or sodium dichromate in presence of dilute H2SO4. It gives conjugated diketone. Name of the compound, para-benzoquinone. Para-benzoquinone. Look here, phenol is slowly oxidized. Phenol is slowly oxidized, giving dark color, a mixture of a dark color in presence of air. In presence of air. Okay? Yes. The fourth reaction, oxidation of phenol. Look here, a fifth reaction, next reaction. Next, fifth. A simple catalytic hydrogenation of phenol. Catalytic hydrogenation. Catalytic hydrogenation of phenol. Look here, catalytic hydrogenation, addition of hydrogen in presence of catalyst, is called as a catalytic hydrogenation. You know catalytic hydrogenation, addition of hydrogen gas in presence of catalyst. Okay, this is the catalytic hydrogenation of phenol. A simple, this is the reduction reaction. Simple reduction reaction. Okay, look here, phenol, like this phenol. Okay, like this. Correct? Catalytic hydrogenation. Catalytic hydrogenation means H2 gas. Look here, catalytic hydrogenation like this. H2 gas, thrice H2 gas. In presence of nickel as a catalyst. In presence of nickel as a catalyst at 4. Look here, 400. Here a 15, here 13 Kelvin. Look here, simple, when hydrogen gas is passed through phenol, both are vapor phase. Both are vapor phase. You know, when hydrogen gas, vapors of a phenol and hydrogen gas is passed through. Look here, nickel as a catalyst, nickel as a catalyst at the temperature, simple, Look here, 433 Kelvin. 433 Kelvin. It gives. Look here, a simple compound. The phenol, reduction of the phenol or catalytic hydrogenation of phenol to formation of compound. Like this. Okay, cyclohexanol. Cyclohexanol. Like this. Cyclohexanol. Cyclohexanol. Repeat. When hydrogen gas is passed through. When hydrogen gas is passed through phenol. In presence of nickel as a catalyst at a temperature 433 Kelvin, it gives cyclohexanol. Look here, simple question. How will you convert? Simple question. Here, how will you convert phenol into cyclohexanol? Phenol into a cyclohexanol. Answer everybody. When hydrogen gas is passed through phenol. Actually, phenol is a vapor phase. Both are passed on nickel as a catalyst at a 433 Kelvin. It gives cyclohexanol. Correct? Yes. Catalytic hydrogenation of phenol. And last reaction. Okay. Number 6. Look here. In number 6, reduction of phenol. Reduction of phenol. Reduction of phenol. Okay. Correct? Yes. Look here. When phenol is heated with, like this, when phenol is heated with OH, like this, phenol. When phenol is heated with zinc dust. Heating, zinc dust. Correct? It gives name of the compound like this, benzene. What is this? Benzene. Look here, plus ZNO. In this reaction, everybody, a reduction of phenol, reduction of phenol. In this reaction, a removal of oxygen, also called as reduction. Removal of oxygen, this oxygen, they are removed in the, they are combined with the zinc to formation of the zinc oxides. Addition of hydrogen, reduction, and removal of oxygen, also reduction. Look here, when phenol is heated with zinc dust. When phenol is heated with a zinc dust, it gives benzene. Actually, hydrogenation, addition of hydrogen, reduction, addition of hydrogen. But in this reaction, removal of oxygen. Look here, simple question. What is the action of zinc? What is the action of zinc dust on phenol? Answer, when phenol is heated with, or everybody, when phenol are reduced with a zinc dust, it gives benzene. Okay? Look here, complete the all chemical reaction of phenol. First reaction, bromination reaction. Second reaction, nitration reaction. Third, sulfonation reaction. Next, Riemann-Timmon reaction. Next, Kolb's reaction. Next, oxidation of the phenol. Next, catalytic hydrogenation of phenol. And last reaction, reduction of phenol. Okay? Thank you.